On the report that was submitted to Parliament of Uganda, especially on vehicles, I thought for us as Uganda Revenue Authority, we're actually happy that the committee, COSASE, realized the challenge we have, that the vehicles, we had used them for 8 to 12 years without replacement. Actually, they advised us to dispose them off because the cost of maintaining them was high. And these are vehicles which are in Karamoja, in enforcement activities, everywhere. So the recommendation was that if a car goes beyond a certain period, dispose and buy a new one, because the cost of maintenance is higher than buying a newer car. And I think that is the biggest recommendation we got from Parliament, but the cause was mainly that our vehicles take long to be replaced, yet they are working in hard to reach stations, hard to reach areas, so the breakdowns are always around. If you look at the list that we submitted to Parliament, they were all vehicles of 8 years to 12 years, very old vehicles, and that's the recommendation they made. We are struggling to collect taxes. It's not because of tax policies. I think support us as media. As you report to the public, do you report negatively or positively about collection of taxes? So every time they say URA is bad, now if URA is bad, who is going to collect taxes on behalf of Ugandans? If we explain, join us in the tax awareness campaigns, tax education campaigns, we move together, talk to Ugandans, and look at paying taxes as a noble duty of every citizen of Uganda. Then there will be a come to ask, how much tax am I supposed to pay? But at the moment, because they are hiding away from the taxman, they even don't know how much they are going to pay. Let's make it easy, and now we are partnering with the public and the citizens in tax education and tax awareness to make sure that we have all Ugandans contribute to tax collection. Thank you very much.